All right. It's Fletch with Fletch Films. I'm mailing this bad boy off, our good old Droid factory, to my friend Dave Vanderbleet, who was a good friend of mine in college. He was a stage manager and set design and stuff for me in college and helped me out on The Tempest specifically. And I put this bad boy up for sale. Oh my gosh. Bad boy up for sale, and I probably acquired this one 3 years ago or so, and now I'm scratching my head that I must have sold my original one, the sporadic parts. This one went for about $60. It is not complete. It does not have all the rest of these little tiny pegs that come with it. It's missing about say 6 there, 7, 8 of those, and obviously R2D2. I had a decent R2D2, but frankly his chrome dome was a little messed up. The going rate of that one goes up and down, again depending upon condition of the sticker that's on it. That one is almost $100 or something like that just for that alone. But the rest of this is in decent shape. It does not have the axles that would go, these metal axles that would go into this guy right here, and you could make a really cool little cart going on. And then the tubes does not have the orange little tubes. You're able to kind of emulate, so I'm just gonna go off. Pro tip. You really want to be careful of these tabs in here, even jamming these legs on here too hard. I'll try to do a close-up right now because with all this stuff on here, it's just the tabs inside here, you can break them off very easily. I remember on my original set, they broke off. And then that goes for these guys too, if you're trying to wiggle these off a little bit too hardcore. So I'm just gonna go over and not even push in that hard, but some of my favorite little robots to make. And you got the treads going this way right here. And so this one was a really fun one, that it was like a whole little vehicle, and you could even put, a Jawa inside that right there. And then just so much play value that you could interchange like the radar in front of here like that. And I mean, it's just endless stuff going on here. I remember, taking this one right here, and you just put a bunch of legs on him. And just give me 1 second here. And again, I'm trying to be really delicate, not even push in the legs all the way, because I do not want to break them off, even though they are really durable. You guys can see that. Yep, I'm gonna lower the camera a little bit. Yep. So this kind of guy right here, and then you would, I always love the silver dome guy. I mean, this would one peg. And this guy was a great little droid head. And then you could put this one on here and put this one on here and put like something like that. And it just, again, I'm going to reinforce sky's the limit. It looks like, you could put axles through these guys right here and make another type of cart. Now I'm trying to think how you would do that. And then I know this one right here, you could put the axle right through those right here. But I'm trying to really remember right now what I would use these ones for. So please comment below if you'd ever want to do that. And then this one was always a fun one right here, that it was kind of a pivot piece right there. Yeah, and then obviously just all the arms and legs, these guys right here that were available, and these guys right here. There's 3 different kind of grappling arms Yep. And then this one was the black antenna. To me, this is like the one that's missing a lot right here. Yep, so that's about it. I mean, you got your antenna device right here, and yeah, again, the only thing really missing with this one was the tubes and yeah, the R2D2 and whatnot. Obviously you have the Jabba the Hutt playset, which is the same molding as this, and you wouldn't get all the play accessories, and Jabba's Dungeon or Jabba the Hutt playset, I think it had 2 different names, but these are the tabs I'm saying be careful right inside there, that they can break off easily if you twist them the wrong way.